hello, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are on our way to Bandra West to try the Japanese restaurant Izumi, which is located on Link Road, and it's a Japanese cuisine restaurant. So let's go there and see what we have.
Hi, today we are at Izumi's in Bandra West, and it's a Japanese restaurant, and we are here to try the cuisine. So let's go inside and see what they have in store for us. Come on. Now that we are seated in the restaurant, we are just going to go through the menu and get ready to order. So हम आपसे order करने के बाद मिलते हैं. So the food is here and it's looking very appetizing. I was just reading about what is Izumi. The name is very interesting. So I just happened to find out that Izumi means spring or fountain in Japanese. And this is a spring or a fountain of great and delicious food. I can't just wait to gorge on it. So let's start tasting the food. Today, what the spread is, I'll just give you a brief introduction about it. This is the raw prawns and squid tempura. This is the California roll, the sushi with crab sticks and avocado in it. This is the garlic and veg fried rice. This is the tropical cider, crispy pork belly. This is chicken python, the ramen. And this is the lemon iced tea, and this is a spicy chicken grills. So I'll start with the California roll right now. For that, it's a sushi. So it's usually eaten with a typical sauce. For that, you need some wasabi, okay, some soy sauce, okay. Mix that together nicely. Okay, I like to add some sesame in it. So soft avocado, the sticky rice, the sushi rice, flavored sushi rice, and the crab sticks, out of the world. With some wasabi and all, it hits you, but it's amazing. Now I'm trying the raw prawns and squid tempura. This is the squid, and you're supposed to dip it in this soya-based sauce. Nicely. Squid is usually very chewy and rubbery. This is melt in the mouth. It has been sitting on the table for last 20 minutes and it's still crispy. If you didn't hear it, I'll again try the prawns with it now. It comes with some spicy mayo with it under it. I'll try this with spicy mayo this time. The prawns is also fresh, soft prawns with the coating, mind blowing, out of the world. This is a must try. This is like 100 or over 10. Amazing. Now we are trying the grilled chicken, the spicy grilled chicken. The umami, spiciness, the soya sauce, the marinade, and it's grilled to the perfection. Soft and amazing. You can eat it with a bit of cucumber which has been given with it. I think it's marinated cucumber. It's with ponzu sauce. So yeah, amazing. Now I'm going to try the crispy pork belly. Melt in the mouth. Follow it with some salad. And just dissolves in your mouth and vanishes off. The flavor is it's flavored with a lot of soy sauce and some herbs. I think garlic is also there in that. Just amazing. So now it's a drinks break time for our eating. So this is the iced tea, lemon iced tea, which is, let me taste and tell you. Oh wow, it's very refreshing. It has some lemongrass in it. Some the tea flavor is coming through very nicely, and it's very refreshing. Like it's very nice. A very nice refreshing break from the food. This is a tropical cider with some basil leaf in it. It has apple juice, fresh apple juice. So let's see how it is. Amazing. I have never had something like that. It has the basil flavor is coming through the apple, and it's very refreshing. Very nice break from the food. Now I'm trying the garlic veg fried rice. There are a lot of vegetables in this, and the rice looks sticky rice. That's the sushi rice, I guess. I can see some broccoli, some carrots, and some spring onions, and a lot of garlic. So let's try. Garlic just hits you as you take the first bite, and followed by the sticky rice is very nice, and it has a nice bite to it, and the vegetables are crunchy as usual. So very nice accompaniment. Right now we have come down to the last part of it, the chicken python ramen. So it has a lot of elements to this. There are noodles, the broth. These are the mushrooms. This is the bamboo shoot, the spring onions. There are noodles, the broth, and this is the chashu, chicken chashu, with soft-boiled eggs and the seaweed. Before I could start, I would like to first taste the broth. It is congealed because it has been sitting over here for a very long time. You can see there's a layer of fat formed on it, and yeah, first we'll taste the broth. Pure essence of chicken broth. The chicken flavor has just boiled down in the broth, and it's liquid chicken, I can say. So how I like to eat it is, I like to add some more soy sauce, some sesame in it, some garlic or chili oil to make it a bit more spicier. It is already, but I like it more spicy, and some garlic flakes, very little because it's very strong. As soon as I opened the lid, I just got a whiff of it. Yeah, and now I will just mix everything together. Awesome. The noodles are al dente, and they are not fully mushy and all. They have just got all the flavors in it, absorbed all the flavors. Now we'll try the chashu, the chicken chashu. Okay, with some mushrooms. It's very soft. There's some skin in it on it, and it has also, absorbed all the broth also very nicely. Yeah, all in all, very nice. Now this is like a sponge. This is the bamboo shoots, and very fresh, crunchy. And now the time for the soft boiled eggs. I will just break the egg now and show you. See, it's not runny, but it's like the yolk is not completely cooked, and this is like a tea egg. What you usually do is you just break it, dip it in the broth, and just awesome. This is comfort food. Japanese comfort food. This is it. Awesome, just awesome. You must try this. Okay, now we have come to the last part, the dessert, and this looks really delectable. So it has 3 components in it. This is the meringue. This is the mango mousse. On top we have the coconut gelato. So it's supposed to be enjoyed together. I will use the meringue like a papad, and I will take a bite with some of the coconut gelato, some mango mousse, and there are some small pieces of mango as well. So yeah. This is total bliss. Fresh mango. I think there's some mango compote also on that. The coconut gelato is like malai, as we say in Hindi, malai. And the mousse is velvety mousse, crispy meringue. And they complement each other very nicely. So I think this is a seasonal special over here, and it's amazing. Before the season ends, please come and have this over here. It's a request. So yeah, now I'm enjoying my dessert. Now let me have it in peace. Bye. We are done with our resume meal, and I must say it was a very tasty and a very nice experience in there. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Please share it with your loved ones, and please subscribe. Keep subscribing for more such content, so that we'll also feel happy to get such lovely restaurants for you. So please keep subscribing, and thank you. Keep watching.